The science behind Garbha Sanskar. The Sanskrit word Garbha means fetus in the womb and Sanskar means educating the mind. So Garbha Sanskar essentially means educating the mind of the fetus. It is traditionally believed that a child's mental and behavioral development starts as soon as he is conceived. His personality begins to take shape in the womb, and this can be influenced by the mother's state of mind during pregnancy. Communication with the unborn. Although it may sound strange and weird, your bond with your child starts right from the time you conceive. It is not that when the child is born you know him. The baby listens to you and feels your feelings even when it is developing in your womb. You can shape up your baby's first impressions by listening to good music, visualizing, massaging gently, meditating, and of course with the help of positive thinking. Scientific evidence. The popularity of Garbha Sanskar is also because researchers have proved its relevance and importance in the development of the child. There are scientific evidences that prove that a baby inside the mother's womb responds to the outside stimulus and has the ability to listen. Benefits of Garbha Sanskar. The advantages of Garbha Sanskar are not only that you educate your child and there is development of a bond between the mother and the child. In fact, this has a great impact on the health of the mother also. The positive thinking and attitude promotes physical well-being of the mother. Mother and child bonding. The mother's bond with the child starts right from the time of conception. The mother can shape up baby's first impressions. The positive thinking and attitude promotes physical well-being of the mother and the baby throughout the pregnancy and after. The advantages of Garbha Sanskar are not only that you educate your child, but there is development of a bond between the mother and the child. Effect of music. It is possible to give energy for the development of body, mind and soul of the child in the womb by listening to special kind of music. For example, the sound of the veena, flute and samaveda mantras gives health to the pregnant woman and the child within. There are various music cassettes and CDs of Garbha Sangeet available in the market. Garbha Sanskar in Hinduism. Garbha Sanskar can be traced back to ancient Hindu texts like the Vedas. It also finds reference in the Mahabharata, which was written roughly around 400 BC. It finds a place in traditional Ayurvedic medicine as a guide for pregnant women in prenatal education. Does Garbha Sanskar really work? There has been a growing interest in the subject of learning in the womb, which is the concept underlying the Garbha Sanskar philosophy. Research indicates that a baby's brain develops up to 60% while in the womb, so this is something actually beneficial for your unborn child.